I think what I really love about Creator is how the time from idea to a product is really low. If you're having an idea, if you're having a business case, and if you know what you want, building in Creator is a piece of cake because the platform really makes your ideas come alive. Hi, so my name is Akshay. I am the founder of a social enterprise called EdZola. We work with nonprofits and charities and help them with technology and digital solutions. We see how technology can be a catalyst for greater good by helping them deploy technology solutions in a way that it can amplify social impact. We've been a Zoho partner for the last 5 years. We're an advanced partner now as well. What inspired us to be a Zoho partner? That's a very interesting question. I think it was one of the solutions. So a little bit of background for you, right? And for everyone who's listening as well is I used to be a software engineer with Zoho. So I've used Zoho. I've kind of, dabbled around Zoho products a little bit, but we never entered it or, it never came across to become a Zoho partner. But there was this one solution that we built back in 2020 or 21 where we tried Zoho Creator and that instantly filled all the gaps, right? And it was an amazing low-code platform that we did and the customer was very happy. And that's when I thought, Zoho Creator might be the platform that can actually benefit a lot of nonprofits with. And that's when, after that project, we decided to become a partner. I think what I really love about Creator is how the time from idea to a product is really low. I think if you're having an idea, if you're having a business case, and if you know what you want, building in Creator is a piece of cake because the platform really makes your ideas come alive and you can drag and drop, create forms, create reports, create dashboards, integrate. What more do you need? I think it's a beautiful platform. I think because Creator does a lot of heavy lifting in terms of development itself, we are able to give time in understanding the customer, what their core problems are, doing workshops with them, training them, empowering them, and lesser time spent on development per se. So I think that has been a very strong impact on how we operate because now we can spend more time in understanding customer problems and giving them tailored solutions rather than spending like hours and hours on debugging issues or figuring out why this particular record is not showing or things like that. How we see Creator is, I think because we work in data technology segment for nonprofits and charities, we work with a lot of platforms, right? So there are platforms that are really good at, let's say, form or data collection. There are platforms out there like especially working with offline environments, etc. I think there are really good forms there. But where they lack is that having that middleware data support or ability to have this data, right? And then there are like really good platforms where you can create analytics, dashboards or reports, etc. But they don't have a collection layer, right? And I think what's the beauty of Creator is it's an all-in-one platform. You're able to collect data, you're able to analyze or consolidate that data and then analyze it as well. And having that all in a data system, I think it is what an organization needs, like a small and medium organization looking for data systems. Creator kind of fits the bill in that case. It's faster, it's robust in terms of functionality, and it's cost effective. The favorite thing about Zoho partner is I think it's the team. I think we really love the Zoho Creator team and the extended Zoho partner team as well because I think they've been really supportive and champions of the work that we do, and they've been really kind and have supported in a lot of ways, and I think it's more like a family. So I think the relationship is not just transactional but it's more like a family, and I think that's how we see Zoho partnership as well. Yeah.